Hello guys, I'm Juliet, your property host, and I'm here today in Versailles, Alabang, and at my back we have the Sophia turnover unit. So guys, in this unit, the gross area is 263 square meters and the floor area is 224 square meters. So this property guys has high ceiling and 3 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. And of course, we have maid's room with ensuite bathroom too. So let's get inside the house. So here will be your living area and the dining area. Then here is the kitchen with cabinets. And here is the powder room. Then we have here the built-in cabinets and the storage room. And in here we have the maid's room with toilet and bath. It's closed. Here is access going to our dirty kitchen. Close then. Okay. Yeah. And access going to our garage. Yeah. So we will go to the second floor. So this is the actual turnover unit of Sophia. So here is our master's bedroom. And we have access here going to here. Balcony here. Okay. Then we have the toilet and bath. At the same time, we have here the built-in cabinets. Then we will go to bedroom 1. And we have also here the built-in cabinets. And we have here the toilet and bath. Then we will go to bedroom 2. So the built-in cabinets, and you have here the toilet and bath. So there is also the inverter here. So all of the rooms have already inverter. So guys, for more information about this property, you may just message me in my Smart Viper WhatsApp 0919-996-3820. Thank you.